6:30 on Saturday, January 23rd. The blizzard of 2016 continues on. Looks like the snowfall should continue through about 10 p.m. tonight. After that, it'll just be dealing with the blowing snow, but it will be a while till the roads are cleared and everything. Obviously, there's a lot of work to do when it comes to shoveling and such. So the storm continues. It will be freezing all day tomorrow and into really into Monday. So it's gonna be a while. But what are you gonna do? It's been a really mild winter on the East Coast so far this year, so it's hard to complain much. As you can see, this is a door here, and the window. The snow's kind of right there, so it's definitely piled high. It's been a crazy 24 hours here, as the blizzard of 2016 has continued to really pound the East Coast.